this is Cal from Cal's Craft. Welcome back. Got a little unbagging, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. This is from Evershine. I've heard good stuff about them, and I've heard bad stuff, and I've heard awful stuff about them. So I thought, I've got to try it. Try it out for myself, see what it's like, see what I think, then I know. So I ordered this. When did I order it? Let me have a look on my little screen. On the 12th of January, and it got here now on the 15th of February. So just over 4 weeks, 5 weeks, which isn't bad seeing as everything that's been going on over there. So I expect it roughly about then. This is an Evershine, did I say that? From AliExpress, and it was £5.37. So shall we have a look? Shall we have a look? Ready? It's not a very big one. It's not a biggie. It's only a littly. So we have got we've got like a sparkly pen, a 4-placer, a 10-placer, cheapy tweezers, plastic boats. I quite like these little ones, and loads of wax, like 4 pieces in one. In that one, so that's all right. It's brilliant if you're starting out and you haven't got anything. Right, we'll have a look at the drills in a minute. Can already see a little hitchhiker. Can you see him? Wanted to come to Wales. He said, I went on holiday. I'm not staying in China and going to Wales with the rest of them. So this is it. Can you see it? Can you see it? A little owl with a little baby owl. How could I resist that? I think it's a 30 by 30. Does it say on nice? It's a full round 30 by 30, but we will measure it after. So I do apologise for the crackling. And it is on a foam core, can you see? It will come off, folks, it will. Oh, sellotape, I hate sellotape. Well, I hate anything that makes it hard for me to get off. Anybody else struggling with sellotape? Mind you, I don't like the lucky bands either, so they can't win either way with me. I'd rather let sellotape though to lucky bands, I must admit. Is that the right place? Oh, let me get me... Shh. You haven't seen me do this because I'd kill the kids if they use my embroidery scissors for... or cross-stitch scissors, whatever they're probably called. Oh no, look, can you see? I've just made a dent in there. Hopefully it hasn't gone right through. Oh, buggering heck. That's why you don't use really pointy sharp scissors. Isn't it? So listen to my own advice. Only use them for cutting my threads, nothing else. So I'm literally just gonna just pull that out and let it relax. I'm gonna let that relax a minute, just for it to breathe a minute. There's my foam roller. I sometimes cut these across here and put them on top of my easel or on across the table or something to rest on. Just, yeah. Should we have a look at the drills while we're waiting for that? Look at these colours. I absolutely love. Oh, they're bagged up. Bugger and heck. Even better, folks. I'm a baggy person, I must admit. I haven't got any pots. I've only got the baggies. I'm a cheap and cheerful girl. Because if I stay with bags, I can reuse them. And I can't afford the pots, so the bags it will be until whenever. It hasn't got the inventory sheet, is it? No, because I didn't see one of those. But hey ho, it doesn't matter. Should we put these out? I'll just pause you a sec and I'll put them out in order. So we've got 30 colours. Look at all them beautiful colours. Should we have a look at them a bit closer up? So this is like baby blue. I can't see any rubbish in them. Some have dents, some of them don't. Not that that should make any difference in the bottoms. Some people say they do. I'm not sure. Oh, what's these? 939s, navy blue. They're very sparkly. They are very sparkly. Ooh, let's have a look at a green. This is like a limey green. You can really see the colour there, can't you? They look alright, don't they? I can't remember, was that? Oh, there's a hitchhiker, look. There he is. Oh, look, there's a couple of like lilac-y ones in there. I don't know if you can pick that up with a camera there. There's a couple of lilacs in there and down there. But they look okay. No knobbly bits hanging off the edges, and they look all oh, look, there's another hitchhiker, look. You see him? They all want to come to Wales, see? It's a place to be, wet and windy. What more could you want? I'm liking this. So got 30 colours. Don't know whether we've got enough of each colour, but we'll see. So I'll move them up there, and then I'll bring this back now. It's been relaxing for a little while. We'll have a look at the back. That usually is a telltale sign if there's anything going to be major. Nope. It's got a bit of a smell to it. A bit of a chemical sort of gluey smell. Yeah, gluey smell, I would say. So let's undo it. So we've got the Evershine up there. You see I'm not professional at this, can't you? So it's a 30 by 30 little owl. There he is, look. Little owl. And is it 30 colours? Yeah. And there. Is it going to focus? That's the symbols. So a little bit on the small side, even with my glasses on. I could have a few trouble with a few of these, but hopefully, I don't know if you can see on the top there, number 6 and 7. If I can get it into to show it you properly, but they're very similar in colour and shape. But hey ho! Oh, it tells you the quantities there, so you could have a rough go through your bags and have a look. You know, some idea, but as long as even if I only have the exact amount, that'll make me happy. So what we do is try and level it out a bit. It's in 3 pieces, which is better for me because I don't get on with this stuff at all. I have noticed straight away that we have loads overlay. There's probably about good over ½ an inch there, and pull it back very, very slowly. So hopefully I don't cause any rivers or bubbles. So far so good. It is sticky because my finger is well and truly sticking to it. Do the next one. A bit of a, I thought the glue was stuck up then, but I just put my finger down and it's down. Oh, it's looking pretty clear, isn't it? You see the baby, even the eye without looking in the camera. It looks down, and it's definitely, see, it's right up to the edge there, but it's gone over there, and it's gone over there. But you know how to do it. Just get your X-Acto knife and just carefully cut down. I knew that would happen. Look. Should I go down in the order that I put it down? No. I haven't got it perfect there, so I'll have to do that off camera, I think. And it's right just a little bit over on that one. I'll show you the, whoop, I ripped it. Never mind. So I'll show you the, can I see with my glasses on or off? My eyesight today is really blurry. There you go, perfect, isn't it? Can't fault the them. Oh no, the numbers I was thought might get mixed up. They are a slightly different shade, so hopefully see if I can get this one back on. Yeah. It's very tight, that one, isn't it? No, I've still got it there. I'll have to do it off camera. It's making me nervous. It's making me nervous. I'll need to, what I'll probably do off camera is I will put either a clear cover on if I can find one, or I might put it in pieces. But I need to get all them bubbles out. Have I got a tray to do it? That's better. If you just scrape, can you hear it? You can hear all the bubbles going out. I don't want to be causing bubbles. Because as you know, me and these canvases do not get on. We don't. There you go. All sorted. Right, now we're going to measure. If you see the line there, yeah, 30. Oop. So it's not 30 by 30, that's just under the 29 that way, and just under the 29 that way. So it's not even the thing. So I think they've just measured the glue. If you measure the, well, the glue's not quite, glue line's more 30 than the thing, but it doesn't matter. 29 by 29, that's fine by me. So yeah, did I tell you, £5.37 for a little diddly one. You can't go wrong, can you? That's bugging me. Gonna have to change it all. Yeah, so I said take 4 weeks to come. 30 by 30 round. Loving the colours. Hopefully this one won't take too long to do. Isn't it? Lovely starter. Can't use the 10s. It's about 3. I can just about use the 4s. 4-placer. I'm just starting to learn to use a 4-placer. But I haven't gone up any bigger yet on that. But I know. You gotta practice. If you practice, then you'll be able to do it. I just got to learn to practice. So yeah, so it'll be interesting to see what my experience is going to be with Evershine. As I say, you've got to really be your own judge on these canvases, because one person can have one and it be absolutely a pile of rubbish, and somebody else can buy the exact same canvas of the same company and have a fantastic experience with them. You know, so make your own mind up. Always research. I always look in. As I say, I've looked in loads and loads of Evershine unboxings. Some have been brilliant, some have been bad, some have been awful. But I thought I'll have a potluck, go for a round and see what it's like, because I saw that and I had to have it. I just love the colours in it. So yeah, so I'll come back and let you know when I do it, and let you know what I think of it. So it's only a short video today, but I just thought I'd share with you. Take care, look after yourselves, speak to you all soon. Bye for now.